Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Vultr VPS backups and restore points, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable backups and restore points for your Vultr VPS, start by logging into your Vultr account. From the dashboard, locate the server you want to configure backups for. Click on the server to access its management panel. In the management panel, find the backup tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Backup tab to view the backup options available for your VPS. You will see an option to enable backups. Click on the toggle switch to turn on the backup feature. A prompt may appear to confirm your decision. Review the prompt and, if you agree, click on the Confirm button. Now, your Vultr VPS will begin automatic backups on a daily basis. To check the status of your backups, return to the Backup tab. Here, you can see a list of all backups created, along with their timestamps. If you ever need to restore to a previous point, navigate to the backup list. Select the backup version you wish to restore. Click on the Restore button next to the selected backup. Confirm that you want to proceed with the restoration process. Your VPS will then be restored to the selected backup state. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. Once restored, your server will run with all the configurations and data as of the backup date. Make sure to regularly check your backup settings to ensure they are functioning correctly. That wraps up the steps for enabling and managing backups on your Vultr VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.